Let me help you out. Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to our channel, Young Black Dad. Let's go! It's not let's go, it's let's get it! Yeah. Alright, so today I'm taking my son on a spin on his Bentley. Let me see you, buddy. Drive to me, buddy. Oh. Y'all see it. Y'all see I ain't gotta use no remote. He doing it all on his own. You see that? Hold the steering wheel, buddy. You did what? Where you going? You out here? Oh, he getting the remote himself. It don't work right now. You gotta change the batteries, buddy. Y'all see it. Y'all see how my son coming? Yeah, press it with your feet. Not with the remote. It's been a journey. But we almost there, y'all. We almost there. My eyes probably a little watery right now. I feel like I grew like a little bump or something right here. Overnight. But other than that, y'all, we feeling good today. We feeling great. So let's get this video started. Alright. I hope y'all been enjoying Vlogmas as much as I have. You know what? I'm gonna give y'all an update on the tree, actually. Because we have not focused on the tree. And here it is. It's down. Look, we're gonna pick him back up. Wait. Oh no. He's broken. It's all good. It's all good. We're gonna fix him. We're gonna fix him up before the end of Vlogmas. Y'all see what we got back here? Yeah. Oh, it's a little blurry. Hold on, buddy. What? Oh no, you stuck? Let me help you. Let me make sure you get to the reverse. The reverse. The reverse. That's how you reverse it. Now press it. Oh, you out here, buddy. You on the move. Alright guys, so I just made Boris a little snack tray. Here you go, buddy. Say thank you. What? Where we going? Come on, let's go. Let me see what you got. What do you have, buddy? A car? Let me see. You need help opening it? What's this? Let me see. Oh wow, it's so cool, buddy. Let me see. Let me see. You want me to open it? Say open. Yes. Say please. Okay, here you go. Let me see you open it. Wow. Let me see your new car. Let me see. Bring it over. Wow. What kind of car is this? Says Hot Wheels, new 2020. Best for track. What kind of car is it, buddy? It's a Ford Force. Say bye-bye, buddy. Say, and we're out. Let's get it, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed our little short video of Boris's new car, taking his car for a test drive, and also his mini short film. Comment below and let us know if you guys are still keeping up with us on Vlogmas. This is day 20. We only got 5 more days, y'all. Well, actually, we got 4 days until Christmas, so can't wait to see you guys there. Let's get it, yeah.